Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Living Flavors with Sunitha. This video is a recipe video and to make it a little interesting, I'm going to make this as a vlog style, and also this video is for a good cause. I'm going to prepare egg gravy and rice for 20 kids and I'm going to feed them, and this video is not a show off. The reason for me to upload this video is I always get inspired by many YouTubers and other fellow people who serve like the needy, may it be kids or may it be elders. So that is how I wanted to do something for these people. So I thought I can make these kind of recipe videos in a bulk at least once a month, and I can feed it to the needy people. By seeing this, if at least one people get inspired, and if you try to provide any things needed, or if you try to provide food for the needy people, I would be really very happy. And yeah, come on, let's get started. So I have kept all the ingredients ready that are required for this recipe. As I'm making this for 20 people, all the ingredients here are of larger quantity. What I'll do is I'll mention in the description box below the list of ingredients and the amount of ingredients that are required for a family of 4. So here in large vessel I have added around 10 to 15 tablespoons of oil. So I'm using coconut oil today. You can also replace coconut oil with any other refined oil of your choice. And after the oil is heated up, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of mustard seeds and let it crackle. After which I'm adding a handful of curry leaves. Curry leaves gives you a good flavor for any gravies that you make. And as I'm feeding kids today, I'm not going to make it much spicy. So I'm just adding 2 green chilies and 8 to 10 onions. And I'm going to saute this for around 5 to 8 minutes until they turn golden brown. And to make the cooking faster, I'm also going to add salt as required. And I'll cover this and I'll cook for the next 6 to 8 minutes. And those of you who ask how I manage my kid when I record videos, this is how I manage. She always sits next to me and watches me. After 6 minutes, the onions are now turned golden brown. So now to this I'm going to add 10 tomatoes chopped roughly, and I'm going to mix it well with the onions, and I'll cook it again for around 8 to 10 minutes until the tomatoes are completely cooked and mashed well with the onions. So now it's time to add all the masalas that are required. I'm going to add chili powder. You can adjust chili powder as per your spice level. A teaspoon of turmeric powder and around 2 tablespoons of coriander powder. Give it a nice mix. And now my master chef wanted to taste the gravy, so I'm giving her. Whenever I prepare something, she always sits next to me and she wanted to taste it. Now the raw smell from the masalas have gone. I have added 2 cups of water and mixed it well, and I'm going to break 20 eggs over the gravy, and I'll cover this and I'll steam cook this for around 5 minutes until the eggs are completely done. Before I cover this with a lid, I'm going to add pepper powder for seasoning and then cook these eggs. Before I turn off the flame, I'm going to add coriander leaves for garnishing. So these are the kits, and when I uploaded this video in my Tamil channel, most of you asked me who are these kids. These kids come to tuition to my mom's place. So they always enjoy watching me cook, and they always eagerly wait for me to serve them actually. So I thought I can give them a proper meal today. So this is my kid who's sitting with them and enjoying the meal. The happiness from these kids are really priceless, and I really felt happy by making this video, and I'll definitely continue this at least once a month. And it is not much that we'll have to feed a minimum of 20 people or 30 people. It is enough if we even feed 1 or 2 people. That is more than enough. It gives us a good feeling actually. So this is how I enjoyed making this video. Hope you all loved watching this video. I recorded this video when Kerala was affected by flood, so I have added a link here, but I'm not sure if this link is still active. But if it is still active, please try and contribute to that link for the people who are still trying to recover from all the disasters. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video, and if you like this video, do give a huge thumbs up and support me. And if you have any suggestions or feedback for me, please do leave them in the comment section below. And also you can let me know what are all the videos that you're looking forward in the future for me to upload in this channel. I'll definitely do them for you one by one, and I'm trying to be regular in the future to upload many videos in this English channel as well. I'll definitely do that for you. See you guys next time with another interesting video or another interesting recipe. Until then, take care. Bye.